Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and within this video I'm going to explain step by step how to make delicious wings in the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the air fryer like I'm using. I've done some other wing videos, but I wanted to do this video specifically for this particular air fryer. And you can see I've got my wings in here. First thing I'm going to do is spritz my wings with olive oil, and I've linked this little sprayer within this video's description too. Makes it super convenient, helps your seasoning to stick to your wings, and also helps to enhance crispiness, and also better prevents the wings. Uh-oh, that busted open. I made a mess. But that'll be part of another video. I'm not going to clean that up right now. So yeah, so something simple to do. A good base for my wings is always garlic powder. So after I've spritzed them with olive oil, I'll put some garlic powder on there. Now, this is where it gets interesting, depending upon your goal. Good thing about wings, if you just wanted to cook it with garlic powder, you could do that. I'm going to add some fresh ground pepper. You could add some sea salt if you wanted to, but I mean honestly, just garlic powder alone is probably enough for a good base, because ultimately you're going to toss these in sauce. But even though I'm going to toss them in sauce, something I like to do is add, this is cayenne pepper. Now these are going to be hot wings. These are going to be very spicy. So I'm going to add some cayenne pepper, and this is also going to be present within my sauce. But I'm going to add some cayenne pepper while I air fry them, just to get this good and baked onto the wings. And then I'm going to add this. This is super spicy, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. But this is ghost pepper powder. So, you know, this isn't something that everybody's going to want, because this is extremely spicy. Some people may say this is so spicy that it's painful, and that's a true statement. Depends upon your tolerance and love of extremely spicy stuff. So there I go. I've got them in my air fryer, and what we're going to do is put them in the air fryer. For the first go around, I'm going to do 390 degrees. And I'm going to do 23 minutes. So every 6 minutes or so, what I'll do is I'll pull them out, spritz them with olive oil, shake them around, put them back in. I'm not going to worry with putting any additional seasoning on. The only thing I'm going to add between now and the end of the cook is olive oil, just to enhance that crispiness. But these are going to go for 23 minutes at 390. Like I said, every 6 minutes or so, I'll take them out and shake them. And then once I've done that, I'll finish them at 400 degrees, and this is Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 5 minutes. You just got to look at the wings. You'll know when they're done. Sometimes it may not take the entire 5 minutes, and it's a matter of how crispy do you want them. Obviously, chicken wings, they've got to be done for food safety reasons, but you can go overboard with the crispy and overcook. So, you know, you just, depending upon the size. And speaking of that, these are wingettes and drumettes. So those are what people would often refer to as wings and flats. That's, you know, that varies geographically how people refer to wings. But these are the small wings and the small drumsticks that are separated. Because you can get wings, it's one big piece, but I'm just doing the wingettes and the drumettes. So let's let this sucker go, and then we're going to proceed with the next step. So now we got less than a minute at 390. Like I said, I did 390 for 23 minutes. You could do 23 or 24 minutes. I usually do 23. Now I'm going to go ahead and start shaking up my gigantic jug of Frank's Red Hot sauce, and you can expand this video's description and find it linked there too. The air fryer, everything I'm using, you can find linked within this video's description. But what we are going to do, we're going to finish these up. These may not, looking at them, they may not take a full 5 minutes at 400. Again, that varies among wings. I mean, sometimes you get wingettes and drumettes that are bigger, sometimes they're smaller. If you like some crispier than I do, or not as crispy. We're going to go ahead and take these out, and this will be the end of the 390 degree Fahrenheit portion. So we're going to pop them out and give them a good shake, give them a good spritz. Like I said, no need whatsoever for additional seasoning because we got plenty on them already, and we're going to toss them in sauce. So now I'm going to set this sucker to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. But keep in mind, it may not take the full 5 minutes. So I'm going to check it, and after about 1 minute and 30 seconds, see what it looks like. Does it need to go longer? Okay, if so, I'll do them longer. If not, then I'll just go ahead and pull them out, and we're going to get to the finishing toss in the sauce step. Okay, so actually I did 4 minutes and 30 seconds, and these are super crispy. They may even be too crispy for you. Again, do it for your desired crispiness. But I just put them right in there, straight out of the air fryer. You can see those are very crispy. You can see all the seasoning. As I had mentioned, all the seasoning that I used, because I used the olive oil, it's just caked on it. So taking that into consideration, you don't have to add a lot of additional spice. Now what I'm going to do is get my huge jug of Frank's Red Hot here. I'm going to pour a generous amount in there. You don't have to go crazy, because all you're going to do is put that in there. Now, you know, I want it insanely spicy, so I'm going to add more ghost pepper powder. I mean, these are going to just burn my face. And then I'm going to add some more cayenne pepper. So these are just, they're going to be insanely spicy. But you can see there, you just go and, you know, get them in a little mixing bowl like I got here. And just the objective is to just get a good generous coating. Now something you can do if you don't want to mix, I mean, you could use, I'm using Frank's Red Hot, but you could use any kind of sauce. You could use an Asian type sauce. That's the beauty of wings. You know, you air fry them, and I would say a good base with air fry would always just be olive oil, but you know, a little bit of garlic powder. Garlic powder is not spicy. And then that way, after you've air fried them, those wings are sauce agnostic, meaning that whatever type of sauce you're going to toss them in, all that you're going to have is the garlic flavor, no spice. Now these, I just wanted a brutal amount of spice. So that's why even during the air frying process that, you know, before I put them in the air fryers, you saw, spritzed them with olive oil, and then I put a generous coating of ghost pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and then I added more along with this Frank's Red Hot sauce. So these are going to be extremely spicy ghost pepper wings. But you know, you do what you want to do, toss them in whatever, and it's just, these are perfect. I mean, there's no restaurant that I can go to and order wings that are better than these. And I just go to my local grocery store, I get the pack of wingettes and drumettes. Obviously everything is insanely overpriced right now, but at the time of filming this video, I think this pack was around $6 US. So to get this quality of wing, cooked to perfection, seasoned just like I like it, insanely spicy. I do other wings too. I do Asian wings. I do garlic Parmesan wings. I do barbecue sauce wings. I mean, it's just a matter of what I'm in the mood for. But dude, look at that. Those are just, I mean, that's phenomenal. Take your time, you know, let them toss, get that sauce all over them. You know, you're in control of the process here. You make them like you want them. I've got them like I want them, so. Serve them up professionally here. I mean, I am Chef IrixGuy from the Appalachian Ocean, so I got to have the presentation here. Yes, there's extra sauce in there. You know what that means? Hoo-hoo, get that sauce, man. Just drenched in sauce. Ooh, had to sample the sauce, man. Mmm. And it's spicy. My entire face is on fire. But that's what I wanted. Oh, these are delicious. Now to serve them, you could put some celery along with it. But I'm just going to eat these without a side item today because I'm doing ghost pepper spare ribs for dinner. So I did some chipotle ranch dressing to dip. And if they're not already spicy enough, just for good measure, I'm going to add a little dusting of ghost pepper powder. Look at that. Now see, that looks like a restaurant. You know, you go in, you got perfectly cooked, and I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. I mean, these are just insanely spicy. And see, sprinkle a little bit beside it there, and that makes it look professional. You know, if you want to try to be a professional chef, you can do that. But look at that. Perfect color, perfect coating with the sauce, tossed in the sauce, and all that you need. Either some ranch, in my case, was that Chipotle ranch or cayenne ranch? That was Chipotle ranch. So even the dipping dressing is spicy. But that's how you do it. So this is the official validation. Are these as spicy as I know they are? Oh. Mmm. My entire face is on fire. Mmm. But the flavor, the texture, everything is perfect. I wanted spicy wings. I have achieved that with this. And the best part is they're not deep fried, they're air fried, so you don't, you know, I'm not gonna say they're healthy, but I mean, it's chicken, it's good. Oh, but they were perfect. Expand this video's description and then click the links there to find the air fryer like I use, the little spritz bottle and everything else. And subscribe, ring that bell, that'll notify you when I post another video, and check out all of my air fry with IrixGuy videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.